Today we're diving into a small but essential part of system control, float switches. We'll show you the options we carry, break down why this is the one we trust, and share how we recommend using it to keep your system running reliably and efficiently. Let's start by taking a look at the float switch itself and what's included with your purchase. We carry the SJE Rhombus Float Switch, which comes with a cable connector and the hose clamp shown here. We also recommend picking up the cable weight. It's sold separately, but it plays an important role in making sure the float switch actuates properly and consistently. The first reason we like this float switch is its shallow activation angle. Take a listen here. You can hear how it operates. That shallow angle means the switch triggers off before your tank gets too low, which helps protect your system. The second reason we like this float switch is that it can be suspended across the tank. In our tank test here, you'll see how we're demonstrating that setup. This is something we often recommend since suspending the float across the center helps keep it clear of the tank walls. It's pretty common for float switches to get caught on the sides or snag on other components in the tank. Suspending it is a simple and effective way to avoid that. One important reminder, you'll want to perform this setup with a full tank to ensure accurate placement. Let's walk through how we recommend suspending the float switch. Start by sliding the hose clamp into the cable connector, just like this. Go ahead and tighten it up enough to hold the connector in place. No need to fully secure it to the bar just yet. Now, grab your cable weight and remove the clip. Lay the cable into the opening, then reattach the clip to lock the weight in. You'll want to position the float switch about 6 inches above the cable weight. Next, attach the cable to the connector. That's what suspends the float in the tank. With the float in the down position, slowly slide the cable through the connector and let the weight drop. Listen here. You'll hear the float actuate as it hits the right angle. Once the float has actuated, feed about 1 more inch of cable into the tank. Then tighten the hose clamp to the bar to lock everything in place. Go ahead and wrap the cable as shown here to keep things tidy. One extra tip we recommend, use a zip tie to secure the remaining length of cable to the bar it's suspended from. Now let's demonstrate what happens as the water level drops. Take a listen. You'll hear the float switch actuate, which would send the signal to start pumping. Solar power and pump supply. We make solar easy.